Want to show you a little issue that we have with the input, trying to get input from the user. Okay, and in an earlier video I talked about converting data types. Okay, and we said that if we use input, that gets a string. Okay, and then what we might want to do is we might want to convert that string into a number. Okay, which is what I'm doing here. So I can insert a number. I have no problems at all, okay, but it does cause us a little problem. So if I run this, okay, if for some reason my user doesn't insert a number, so say I decide that I read it wrong and I insert my name instead, okay, I get an error. So I get this red, red code here, and basically this is telling me that my program's just crashed out. Okay, now that's because the computer is confused, because I told the computer that I wanted to convert whatever was input into a number. Okay, so the computer has tried to convert John into a number, and of course it can't do that. It's got no idea how to do that. Okay, so that's definitely a problem. So what I've got to do as the programmer is I've got to handle that. Okay, now the way to handle it is I use what's called a try. So basically what I'm doing is I know that this could cause an error. So I know what I'm trying to do here could cause an error. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell the computer to try it. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I can then add what's called an except. Okay, so I can basically say, well, try this, all right, and then if it doesn't work, I want you to do this instead. So basically what I'm saying is, if it doesn't work, I'm going to output an error message instead. Okay, so now basically what's going to happen is it's going to try and convert the string into an integer. If it can't do it, it's going to print you didn't enter a number. Okay, if it can, it's just going to carry on as normal. All right, so if I run the program now, I try it normally, so I'll input a number. Fine, that works fine. Okay, if I run it again, so I'll do what I did and input my name. All right, now what it comes up says, it says you didn't enter a number. Okay, so that's try except, which allows you to handle errors that you know are going to occur.